DS Diving Service. It's October 13th. We have blasted off with very high pressure and scraping. Barnacles. We can't get all the glue off, but and looked at your mooring. There's no water inside of it. She's still very floatable. Your chain, we've inspected it. You have very light corrosion on this terminal tackle here. I would say you're certainly good for another three years to go. I would suggest in another 3 years inspecting and probably replacing this terminal tackle and this chain, unless it looks as good as it does right here. We looked at each link, all the welds. We didn't find any areas where, where the chain is very deficient. Your terminal tackle on the top showing a little rust, but that's not a big deal. If next time we come out, this chain's still in this shape, what I would say is we just bring some paint and paint her and sit her back down. But the rest of your heavy chain, this goes straight down to the mud, and it is buried under sand and mud, and that is preserving that aspect of it. So thank you for choosing DS Diving Service. You're safe tomorrow.